Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I'm sharing my mini marble loaf cake recipe. This is the best marble cake recipe. If you're a fan of marble loaf cake from Starbucks, you'll love this one too. Don't Baking a great marble cake in mini loaf pans is that instead of having to share a large loaf, everyone gets their own. And who doesn't love their own personalized little cake? The whole process is such a breeze too, no need to grease or flour the little pans and they pop out so easily. They are perfect for gifting because they are not just delicious, they are cute and delicious. It is always the perfect cake to enjoy with your morning or afternoon tea, although I could personally eat it with every meal. It's always so fun to discover the marble result once you get to slice the cake. The best thing about this cake is that no two loaves look alike. Because you're creating the marble design, you can make it unique. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Bye!